When it comes to replacing the doors in your Redmond home, you have two primary options: doing it yourself, DIY, or hiring a professional door installation service. Both approaches have their advantages and challenges, and the right choice depends on several factors, including your skills, the complexity of the project, and your budget. Whether you're replacing an exterior door, interior door, or garage door, understanding the pros and cons of both DIY and professional installation will help you make the best decision for your home. Pros of DIY door replacement. Cost saving. One of the most significant advantages of DIY door replacement is the potential for cost savings. Hiring a professional installer typically includes labor fees, which can add up. If you're handy and have experience with home improvement projects, you may be able to handle the installation yourself, saving money on labor. All you would need to pay for are the materials, such as the door itself, hardware, and any tools you may need to purchase or rent. Control over the project. When you tackle the project yourself, you have full control over every aspect of the replacement process. From selecting the door to choosing the hardware and deciding on the installation type, you're in charge. This level of control allows you to personalize your door replacement to suit your preferences and vision for your home. Sense of accomplishment. For many DIY enthusiasts, there's a great sense of satisfaction in completing a project on their own. If you enjoy working with your hands and have experience with similar tasks, replacing a door can be a rewarding project. You will also have the satisfaction of knowing that you did it yourself, which can be especially gratifying for those who take pride in their home improvement skills. Flexibility. DIY door replacement allows you to work at your own pace. You can schedule the project around your personal calendar and complete it when it's convenient for you. If you have other commitments, like work or family events, you can spread the installation over multiple days to suit your schedule. Cons of DIY door replacement. Requires time and effort. While DIY projects can save money, they also require time and effort. Replacing a door is not a simple task, and depending on the type of door and the condition of your home, it can take several hours or even a few days to complete. If you're unfamiliar with door installation, you might encounter unexpected challenges, which can lead to further delays. Potential for mistakes. If you lack experience, mistakes are more likely to occur, which can be costly to fix. Improperly installed doors can lead to issues such as poor insulation, air leaks, and security concerns. Misalignment of the door can also cause issues with locking mechanisms and overall functionality. If you're not confident in your skills, a DIY door installation may end up costing you more in repairs or the need to hire a professional to fix the problems. Limited access to professional-grade tools. Although you can rent tools, professional installers have access to high-quality tools that make the job easier and faster. Some installations require specialized equipment, such as a door frame jack or a pneumatic nail gun, which might be difficult to use correctly without prior experience. Without the right tools, a DIY installation can become more complicated and time-consuming. Possible warranty issue. Some door manufacturers may void the warranty if the door is not installed by a certified professional. If you attempt a DIY installation and encounter issues later on, you could risk losing out on any warranty protection or guarantees. Pros of professional door replacement. Expertise and experience. Professional door installers have the experience and expertise to handle the job efficiently and correctly. They understand the complexities of different door types, frame alignment, insulation, and sealing, ensuring that the door is installed properly and functions as intended. With their skills, professionals can often complete the job in a fraction of the time it would take for a DIYer to do it. Quality and safety. Hiring a professional ensures that the door is installed to the highest quality standards, minimizing the risks of security or safety issues. Professionals are trained to install doors securely, ensuring proper alignment, smooth operation, and proper insulation. They also know how to handle the heavy materials safely, which can prevent accidents or damage during installation. Guarantee and warranty. Many professional door installation services offer warranties or guarantees on their work. If any issues arise after installation, you can have peace of mind knowing that the problem will be addressed without additional cost. This adds a level of security that DIY installations often lack. Time saving. Professional installers can complete the job much faster than a DIY project, often finishing in just a few hours. This is especially valuable if you need to replace a door urgently and want to avoid disrupting your daily routine. Hiring a professional allows you to focus on other tasks or responsibilities while they take care of the installation. Cons of professional door replacement. Higher cost. The primary drawback of professional door replacement is the cost. While DIY installation allows you to save on labor, professional services typically include both materials and labor fees, which can add up quickly. Depending on the type of door and the complexity of the installation, this cost may exceed your budget. Scheduling and availability. Professional installers often have busy schedules, especially during peak seasons. You may need to wait for an available appointment, which can delay the installation process. Additionally, some installers may only work during business hours, which could be inconvenient if you have a busy schedule. Less control over the process. While hiring a professional gives you the benefit of their expertise, it also means you have less control over the project. You'll need to rely on the contractor's timing, materials, and methods, which may not always align with your preferences or expectations. Conclusion. Choosing between DIY and professional door replacement in Redmond comes down to your priorities, whether it's saving money, ensuring a high-quality installation, or having a faster, hassle-free process. DIY door replacement can be rewarding for those with experience and the time to invest in the project, while professional installation ensures a quality result with minimal effort on your part. If you're unsure about your skills or want to avoid potential mistakes, hiring a professional may be the best option for achieving a flawless door installation. Either way, ensuring that the door is properly installed is key to maintaining your home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal.